In this video, I'll be showing you how to make a free photo collage on your iPhone. It's a very simple method, so if you find this video helpful, be sure to drop a like and subscribe. Now, to do this, you don't actually need any application and you don't have to pay for anything. This is a completely free method, which is what makes it so great. So the first thing you want to do is head on over to your browser of choice, which in this instance, we're going to be using Google Chrome. Then once you do, the first thing you want to do is just open up this website called convertresize.com. Then once you do, it's gonna be on this page right here, and then all you want to do is go to the photo collage builder, which is under the image tools section right at the top. So once you click on that, it's gonna look like this. Then you're gonna be able to choose any files that you want. So just click choose files. Then you can just either take a photo or you can go to your photo library. So in that case, we're gonna be doing that. Then just select any photos that you want in this. You can select however many you want. So let's say I selected those three. I just press add right there. And then it says added 3 photos successfully. I can clear all photos if I want to as well. And then all I want to do is scroll down and I want to go to, the size preset. So you can have like Instagram post, Instagram portrait, Facebook post, YouTube thumbnail, because they're all different ratios, or you can just do a custom size if you want to as well. But we're just going to stick it to, let's just say, an Instagram post. You can either change it from a 2x2 grid to a single row to a single column, so it shows up like that. Or you can do like a 2x3 grid, but you can really just change it however you want. And you can also do a custom grid as well with a custom amount of rows and a custom amount of columns. Then you can just download it in either a PNG or a JPG file, but I would recommend a PNG file. Then just download Collage and that's it. It's going to be saved to your camera roll. But it's honestly a very good website and you can just do this in under 1 minute.